It's okay, but today we're going to be doing a challenge. See, I don't know what the lake looks like, but Diesel, move! Diesel, move! It's ruining my vlog. But I don't know what he's over here going crazy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You want to go in? You want to go in? Oh, he's over here acting crazy. You can't go in. Get some water. Quiet. Alright. So today's fishing vlog is all Shut up. Shut up. Alright, today's fishing vlog is all about we're gonna go bass fishing. So this is what I have right here. Diesel, stop eating my fishing pole. Oh God. You one childish son of a Alright, well, we're gonna have to cut this vlog short because he just broke my fishing pole. So how about a flip? Ready? Alright. Yeah, thought I was. Alright, we'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna do some editing and I'll see you tomorrow. And go. Alright, back tomorrow. Bruh, it is so rainy out here. I am in Smithton, Illinois. And we were supposed to go fishing, but a huge storm came, knocked the tree down and everything, so we can't go fishing. So we'll try to find somewhere else to go fishing at. Maybe Horseshoe Lake, Carlisle Lake, or whatever. Horseshoe, I don't know. Maybe Lake of the Ozarks. We'll probably drive down there because we're supposed to be going down there anytime. Hey, Diesel, get out the garage. Stay out the garage, Diesel. Come on. Go. Go. Want treat? Let's go get treat. Down. Move. Let's go get treat. I'll go get you a treat. Anyways, he just got neutered, but he still acts the same. So we'll be back. Yep.